everyone, this is Gianna. So my purchase came from Ferris Wheel Press and it's all here, and I've been waiting for this for such a long time now. Since they had the order out and I was able to buy. Just quite excited, and also the extra goodies that came with it. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what does it look like. Okay, I did open it because I didn't know what it was that I was seeing. Was it because it just says my name on it, and I was like going, okay, what is this? So all I did was I removed the packaging part and I said, oh, and so there you go. This is the unboxing of the Harry Potter items, and I'm going to flip the camera around so I can see and you can see, we both can see together. Okay, here we go. So, these inks are definitely bigger than what I thought they were going to be. We'll go ahead and we'll do the inks first. So this is the Sorting Hat. The Sorting Hat has this top as well, as you can see right here. And here's the outside of the box. All right, the inscription, the Sorting Hat, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Ravenclaw. Despite its worn and weathered appearance, the Sorting Hat will tell you where you belong and thriving during your time at Hogwarts. The high-quality water-based fountain pen inks crafted by Ferris Wheel Press, compatible with all brushes, fountain pens, and dip pens. So that's what it says right here. That's it. All right, so I'm actually going to take this one out of the box so we can actually see what it is. So here we go. All right, bring this out. Okay, what is the top made of? Oh, it's metal. I'm shocked. I thought it was going to be like a plastic, but it's not. So here you go. Here it is on the back. Isn't that cool? And you've seen the inscriptions on the outside of them, but this one, okay, so this hat actually says the Hogwarts. So here's the Hogwarts crest. It actually says the Hogwarts motto at the very bottom. If you're wanting me to go ahead and say it, the answer is no, because I pronounce things wrong, as you very much well know, and there's no point in me doing that. Here we go. And look at this. You can even see the Sorting Hat is in the logo. So you have all the houses, but you have the Sorting Hat right there. That motif I might use. All right, cool. So there we go. Oh, the gold says, but where to put you. All right, cool. Okay, so I went ahead and got all the Dabbler pens because I really just needed the Ravenclaw one. Would I have liked the other ones? Yes, but I wasn't seeing something that I was like truly happy about. So it's like going, I'll just take mine. So here we go. Here's Slytherin. There you go. So like I said, the Dabbler pen. The Dabbler pen has this, refill that you could see with Tom Studio pens. It's very similar to it. It is a filter that you dip into the ink and then Bob's your uncle. I will be using this ink for the Hogwarts crests from the stationery that I make so that I can then put it together. And then it'll be something unique. So this is the Slytherin. Here's the back. Okay. The back says, and it's a little bit hard for me to read because it's in silver. All right. It says, ambition takes the center stage with this deep emerald representing the Slytherin. This gift is perfectly designed for witches and wizards with grand dreams of cunning plans and the unrelenting ambition to chase them. This bewitching gift includes everything you need to craft your own magic and an easy-to-fill pen and a single pot of luxurious ink inspired by Slytherin, designed for witches and wizards of all levels to prepare with your legacy. So there you go. That's what it says. We're going to grab Hufflepuff because I'm going to save my Ravenclaw almost to the end, but I think we're going to hit Gryffindor first. Okay, so here we go. So this is Hufflepuff. There you go. All right. It's the exact same thing as the Dabbler pen. Boom. All right. Ooh, what? Oh no, it's there. It's like, you saw it live. I was like, wait, where's the pen? It fell. It's in there. Let's go ahead and pull that guy out so we can save it. Okay. Alrighty. Well, that was fun. You know that thing was bounced around. Here we go. Boom. All right, cool. Okay, so Might as well show it to you. Dabbler pen has, like I said, the filter on the inside. It has a nib right there. I don't know if you could get more nibs, but what you do is you shove the filter onto it, boom, Bob's your uncle, it's done. So when you get it, chances are the pen's gonna be slinked all the way through. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do this. Oh, most of these boxes are already open. That really sucks. Okay, so their packaging is not doing that well. Because if you can see over here, I haven't even touched that and it's already popped open. All right, so now we know. Now we have to battle G.I. Joe.